If God wants to do something, all you need to do is to be aligned with God. Whether you are aware that he said he wants to do the thing or not, will not stop him from doing it. He does not require you to have heard that he wants to do the thing. If he decides that he wants to do something, he will do it. If you heard the thing and you forgot, he will still do it. But there is an alignment protocol that you need to follow. If you are where you should be, God will do what he has promised to do. It is not that I did not receive prophecy, I did not hear this. That's not your problem. God will supply you as much light as you require to travel. Just follow the lights that you have. If you follow the small one that God makes available to you, you will come into greater light. It's not the floodlight that you don't have that is your problem. It's that the small one that you know, you are not doing it. Following God, there may be difficulties on the way, but don't ever think that it's that big thing that you don't know that is your problem. God is faithful. He will give you the light that you need for now.